Welcome to Remembering the Books tutorial. To get started, you'll need 1 judge, 2 teams with captains, 4 trivia levels, 5 game rounds to guess the 66 books of the Bible. Can you remember the books? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get set up so you can start playing Remembering the Books, better known as RTB. For first-time players, I suggest you follow along with me and do each step as I do it. Feel free to pause or rewind at any time. This game is a mixture of competitive team Bible trivia and a timed memory guessing game. The team who earns the greatest number of points at the end of 5 rounds of trivia and guessing the 66 books of the Bible via the alphabet wins the game. Out of your group, choose a judge. This is the most important rule of the game. The judge does not play the game, the judge controls the game. And the game box. Now, Judge, go ahead and take control of that game box and see what's inside. By now, you've found the judge's packet of the game rule cards. For starters, quick play and game rule cards are optional, but give more detailed game directions. Next, you have the scorecard, the bag of game pieces and game cards. All rule cards and game cards say, "For judge's eyes only." The judge really does rule the game. Now that you've chosen a judge, choose 1 scorekeeper. Break into 2 teams. And finally, each team must choose their team captains. Give the scorekeeper the scorecard and the dry erase marker. Scorekeeper, notice each part of the scorecard, then start reading point value rules on the back of the scorecard. Judge, you are the timekeeper and in charge of all game cards. Next, give each team captain 1 pencil, 1 noisemaker, and 1 notepad each. Teams, choose a team name. Write your name on 5 sheets of paper, then get ready to have some good, clean, competitive fun. There are 4 game levels to choose from: easy, moderate, difficult, and scholar. Each game card, for all levels, contains the order of how the game is played. All trivia questions, answers, and specific letters of the alphabet are given by the judge for both teams to choose from and guess the 66 books of the Bible in 90 seconds. Each game card has 5 rounds. Each round has 2 mandatory components each team must complete. 1 Bible trivia question teams will compete to see who answers the fastest. Okay, Judge, the game starts with you reading the round 1 trivia question.
In Exodus chapter 2, verse 21, Moses got married. What was the name of his wife? Tribe of Judah?
Mary.
Nope, that is not correct. You want to take a shot at it, Soul Savers?
Yes. Zipporah.
That is correct. Zipporah is Moses' wife.
Okay, Soul Savers, one of your team members talked during the challenge. So, Judge, do they get the full 5 points, or is it -2 for talking?
-2 points for talking after the tribe of Judah sounded the noisemakers.
All right, so that means Soul Savers, you have 3 points, and Tribe of Judah, you got 0.
The second component is called Timed Remembering the Books, or Timed RTB for short. Here, each team is given 90 seconds to name books of the Bible that start with different letters of their choice given by the judge.
All right, Soul Savers. Since you won the first round with the correct trivia answer, you get to choose from both letters I have on my game card. The letter I and the letter O. Yes, both letters. You choose a letter for your team and the other letter for you all.
All right, I got it. I think we're gonna go with that letter I, pick the easy one. And we're gonna stick them with that other letter O.
Okay, cool. Yeah, and time starts now. Time's up. The Soul Savers got all the books starting with the letter I correct.
Wow, so that's 10 points for the Soul Savers.
Okay, the Tribe of Judah, there's only 1 book written down here, and there is no book of the Bible named Odessa.
I thought Odessa was a real book.
Let me go get my Bible.
Yeah, we need to look this up.
Well, Why don't we all pull out our books and study all the books together after the game is over? So, Soul Savers, y'all want to take a challenge shot and name the books missing from the letter O?
Yeah.
The book of
Correct. Very impressive, young man.
Okay, little man. Great job. So that means we've got 10 points for the Soul Savers and then 0 for the Tribe of Judah. But I will say, you still have time remaining in the game.
Each team will also have an opportunity to earn bonus points with the third component, the timed bonus book letter, in rounds 2, 4, and 5 only. Here, each team has 90 seconds to name books of the Bible that start with one letter given by the judge.
Okay, the third and final part of round 2 is called the timed bonus book letters. Both teams get a minute and 30 seconds to write down as many books of the Bible as they can, but they get the same letter this time. The letter E is the letter on my game card. Ready, teams?
Yeah, we're ready.
Time starts now. Time's up. Okay, so Savers, you got all 6 books correct for the letter E.
Okay, so that means the Soul Savers have 12 points.
Okay, Tribe of Judah, you missed 2 out of 6 of the books for the letter E.
So that means the Tribe of Judah gets 8 points.
The judge then reads off the correct books each team wrote down, starting with the letter E. Since this is a tutorial, I'll let you figure out the available answers.
Yeah, it's really easy to forget those books when you're under pressure.
Okay, everybody, so here are the total scores for round 1 and round 2. Soul Savers, you have 25 points, and Tribe of Judah, you have 8.
That was fun. Round 3, anyone?
Yeah.
Well, that's the gist of the game. Judge, get ready. If teams need more details or questions, simply refer to those game rule cards or the quick play card from your judge's packet. Scorekeeper and teams, are you ready to remember the books? Let's begin.